Hello, my dear students. Good morning and welcome to our subject of class 3rd Science. Okay, students, now it's time to start the 4th chapter of Science. Okay, the 4th chapter is birds. Okay, in this chapter, we will read about the birds, the different types of birds we have. Okay, on the earth, धरती पे जितने birds हैं, the birds, different types of birds, जो पक्षी हैं, yes, how they live, कैसे रहते हैं, क्या करते हैं, कैसे दिखते हैं, which body parts help them to in flight, कौन सा body part उनकी उड़ने में help करता है. These all things we will read about in this chapter. Okay. Now the student birds. Okay. Now birds have the different body parts. है ना. It is the feather. Mostly one thing is there, feathers. Birds have feathers. The feathers होते हैं in all the body. It is the all body of the birds are covered with feathers. Okay. Now you must have seen many birds chirping around you and flying up in the sky. Do you know what makes a bird different from the other animals? बाकी जो एनिमल से बर्ड्स डिफरेंट क्यों? बिकॉज दे कैन फ्लाई. इट इज़ द फेदर से डिफरेंट है बिकॉज इनकी बॉडी फेदर से कंप्लीट होती है, ढकी होती है. इट इज़ कवर्ड, द बॉडी इज़ कवर्ड विद द फेदर्स एंड ऑल बर्ड्स हैव फेदर्स. नाउ अदर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ बर्ड्स आर द ऑल बर्ड्स हैव विंग्स. दैट मीन्स all birds have wings but not all birds fly. Yes, it is clear that all birds जो मौजूद हैं अर्थ पे, on the earth, okay, they have the wings but it is not important, but not all the birds fly. Okay, birds have beaks or bills, same as beaks or bills are the same name, and do not have the teeth. That means birds do not have the teeth, they have the beak, चोंच होती है इनके. Now the birds have 2 legs and claws. Birds have 2 legs and claws. Every birds have 2 legs with different claws that you will read in this chapter and with different birds. Some birds make their own nest while others live in others' nest. Here you will understand the thing that कुछ birds होते हैं जो खुद का नेस्ट बनाते हैं, बाकी बर्ड्स कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो दूसरों के नेस्ट में घोंसले में रहते हैं. नाउ हाउ द बर्ड्स फ्लाई. यस, हाउ द बर्ड्स फ्लाई. लुक हियर, बर्ड्स उड़ते कैसे हैं? विच द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फीचर्स. ओके, व्हाट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एडेप्टेशन दैट हेल्प टू अ बर्ड टू फ्लाई. बर्ड्स की बॉडी जो होती है, 4 थिंग विच हेल्प बर्ड्स इन फ्लाइंग आर द बॉडी फीचर. स्पेशल बॉडी फीचर जो होते हैं, लाइट बॉडी. ओके, एक बर्ड्स की बॉडी जो लाइट होती है, वेरी लाइट, बिकॉज इट बोन्स आर हॉलो. इनकी बोन्स हॉलो होती हैं, इसीलिए ये आसानी से उड़ सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट हैड द लाइट बॉडीज़. देन द बोट शेप बॉडी. इनकी स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी शेप होती है, बोट शेप, दैट हेल्प टू कट द एयर्स एंड ओवर द डिफ़िकल्ट कंडीशंस इन द एयर. ओके, विच हेल्प्स इट फ्लाई थ्रू द एयर ईजिली. हवा में उड़ने में आसानी से उड़ सकते हैं बर्ड्स. ओके, नाउ द फेदर्स. द विंग्स हैव फेदर्स अटैच टू दैम विच हेल्प बर्ड्स फ्लाई हाई इन द स्काई. जो फेदर्स हैं विंग्स में जो होते हैं वो हेल्प करते हैं इनको उड़ने में. ओके, टेल. द टेल ऑफ अ बर्ड हेल्प्स इट टू चेंज इट्स डायरेक्शन वाइल फ्लाइंग. दैट मीन्स only tail when the bird flying in the sky. If they want to change the direction, only with the help of tail, the tail of a bird helps in it to change its direction while flying. On the other side is there the movement of wings. Birds flutter their wings when they want to fly. Okay, birds flutter their wings when they want to fly, like up and down. The bird, how the movement of wings when the birds fly, they flutter their wings in 2 directions. First is downstrokes, when the wings move downwards and backwards. Okay, that is called the downstroke. And then the upstrokes, when the wings move upwards and forwards. Now the students, feathers. What is the feathers? A bird's body is covered with feathers. This all bird's body is fully covered with feathers. पूरे bird की जो body है, body नीचे है, skin जो muscles नीचे, but उसके ऊपर सब feathers से पूरी body covered है. The feathers are of three types. The feathers are of birds are of three types. Down feathers, they are small and fluffy. They cover the entire body of a bird and keep it warm. Now the flat feathers, these are found in the wings with and tail. जो flat feathers होते हैं वो found मिलते हैं wings में and the tail. Okay, flat feathers are on the wings and the tail. They help the birds to fly. Now the body feathers, they cover the work of body feathers. The body feathers cover the entire body of a bird and give it a shape. Okay, now the flights of birds. दूरी, जो birds होते हैं वो कितनी दूर तक दूरी तक उड़ पाते हैं. Some birds fly long distance. Okay, some birds fly long distances, बहुत दूर तक जाते हैं. और कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो लो हाइट्स तक उड़ सकते हैं, बहुत नीचे, ज़्यादा ऊंचे नहीं उड़ सकते हैं. नाउ लुक हियर, क्रो, पिजन, दे फ्लाई द लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. ओके, ऊंची दूरी तक जा सकते हैं. नाउ द पिकॉक एंड द स्पैरो एंड हैन, दे फ्लाई एट लो हाइट्स. ये ज़्यादा ऊंचे नहीं उड़ सकते हैं. Okay, now it's time to read about these birds. The different types of birds you have seen here. Vulture. Some birds fly very high. ये bird the topest सबसे ऊंचे जो birds fly करते हैं वो होते हैं vulture and falcon. Okay, जो चील होती है सभी ये सबसे ऊंचे fly करते हैं. They look here, some birds do not fly. They move on the ground with the help of their legs. Here, some birds do not fly because they have the heavy body and heavy legs. Okay, due to the heavy body they can't fly. Ostrich and emu, you may see, आपने देखा होगा ये सब birds नीचे पानी में रहते हैं. Ostrich ये सब नीचे and fly नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now the study of birds is called ornithology. One thing is there that the study of birds, वो मतलब अगर आप कोई पढ़ाई कर रहा है study of the बर्ड्स के बारे में जो क्या पढ़ेंगे तो उसे बोलते हैं ऑर्निथोलॉजी. दैट मीन्स द पर्सन दैट रीड द ऑर्निथोलॉजी मीन्स द ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट हैव द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट द बर्ड्स. ओके, दिस पर्सन इज कॉल्ड ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट. नाउ द बीक्स, द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बर्ड्स हैव डिफरेंट बीक्स एज पर देयर फूड ईटिंग हैबिट. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ बर्ड बिल इज़ फीडिंग. बर्ड्स के जो बिल जस्ट लाइक ये जो बीक्स होते हैं इनके जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन होता है वो होता है ईटिंग का. एंड इट इज़ शेप्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द व्हाट अ बर्ड्स ईट्स. लुक हियर, ईगल्स, वल्चर्स एंड आउल्स हैव हार्ड एंड शार्प बीक्स टू टीयर फ्लैश. ईगल्स होते हैं, वल्चर्स होते हैं, आउल्स हैव हार्ड एंड शार्प बीक्स टू टीयर द फ्लैश. दैट मीन्स द ईगल्स, वल्चर, फैल्कॉन, these are the flesh eating birds. ये लोग डेड एनिमल्स का फ्लैश खाते हैं. That's why they have the sharp beaks to tear the flesh. They can easily tear the flesh also. Now the sparrow, pigeons and peacocks have short, hard and strong beaks. They have the short and hard, strong beaks to crush the grains and seeds easily because they eat the grains also and seeds. Now the parrot has a curved beak to crack nuts and hard fruits. Parrot has a curved beak. That means look here, this is the curved beak. Okay, they eat the nuts and hard fruits easily. And look here, the thing is there. Woodpecker has a strong and heavy beak to tap barks of trees and take out insect from inside. You know that woodpecker जो कठफुड़वा होता है, इसे कठफुड़वा नाम इसका है, कठफुड़वा. ये प्लांट, ये बर्ड्स प्लांट जो होते हैं बार्क पेड़ की जो, उसको ये क्रैक करता है बहुत मार मार के अपनी चोंच से. ठीक है, हैवी बीक से टैप ऑफ बार्क्स ट्रीज एंड टेक आउट द सीड्स, सॉरी इंसेक्ट्स उसके अंदर से निकालता है, उसे खाता है और उसी में होल करके उसके अंदर रहता भी है ना। तो स्वैलोज आर इंसेक्ट्स ईटर्स, जो स्वैलोज होती हैं ये इंसेक्ट ईटर होती हैं। दे स्कूप इंसेक्ट्स आउट ऑफ द एयर एज दे फ्लाई बाय, हवा में ये इंसेक्ट पकड़ लेते हैं। दे हैव शॉर्ट स्ट्रेट बीक्स, दे कैच द इंसेक्ट्स एज दे फूड इन द एयर। नाउ अ हुक हैज़ अ लॉन्ग स्लेंडर कर्व्ड beak to pull out insects from the holes in the ground. This bird hook will catch their insects, their food as their food from the holes in the ground. A duck has a broad or flat beak. Look here, duck has a broad and flat beak. It has teeny holes on the sides. Look here, the teeny holes is there. Okay, the teeny holes is there on the both sides. The duck takes in muddy water and along the insects, worms and water plants. The mud and water flows out through the tiny holes. जो mud और water इस tiny hole से flow हो जाता है, leaving behind insects and worms. और अंदर इसके insects वगैरह अंदर रह जाते हैं. Okay. Now the herons are mainly fish eaters. These are the herons, mainly fish eater. They can easily catch the fish. Their beaks are usually long and straight that help to catch fish easily in the water. Now the feet, the different types of feet the birds have. Birds have also different types of feet depending on how they live and what they feed on. Yes. Perching birds. These birds means perching means जो बैठने वाले birds होते हैं किसी पे टहनी पे. These birds perch on the branches waiting for insects to fly fast and they then sail out and catch them easily. In this way they catch their prey. Their feet have 3 toes in front. Look here, 1, 2, 3 toes in front and 1 at back. Now the wading birds. Look here, these are the toes of the wading bird. Herons and egrets are wading birds. Okay, that have long legs. इनकी long legs होते हैं. Their toes are much longer. Okay, than those of the perching bird. इनसे इनके toes बहुत लंबे हो दिख रहे हैं आपको, toes long होते हैं. Okay, they have little webbing to prevent the birds from sinking in the mud. That means they have little webbing to prevent the bird from sinking in the mud. It helps in the different ways. Now the climbing birds, woodpeckers are climbers and peck at the bark of the trees, move up and down in search of insects and bugs. जो birds होते हैं, these birds have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back that help to catch their prey and easily and survive. Now swimming birds. These swimming birds means duck also. Feet of water birds are like paddles or oars of a boat, like the oars. Look here. Okay, and then oars की तरह होते हैं इनकी जो बोट के फीट जो पैर होते हैं birds के. They act like the flippers worn by undersea divers. Their feet are webbed between the toes. इनके feet toes में बीच में webbed होते हैं, बीच में webbed feet. This help to push water efficiently while swimming. Okay. Now compare the oar. Look here. We compare. They look alike. This thing is there that help the same thing to push the water, and this thing is same as the oar. Push the water backside and swim easily inside the water. Now the flesh-eating birds. The flesh-eating birds of prey such as eagles and falcons have very strong, sharp and large claws called talons. This type of, look here, the large claws the talons have, the birds have, like the falcon and eagles. These are the live hooks to grip flesh and as sharp as knives. These birds can swoop down from the sky and catch a running animal with great speed with the help of these talons. Look here, talons of an eagle stooping to catch a rabbit. Now the scratching birds. The scratching birds are there. Grain eaters like hen walk around on the ground. These are scratching bird. These birds scratches the ground, the land, okay, to find out the scratch the soil to find the grains as their food. They use their claws much like we use our fingers to scratch. A garden rake is good example to show how hens scratch the ground with their claws. Okay, students. Now the next thing is there. Nesting. Yes, nesting. The birds build nests to protect themselves and their young ones on fledglings and to lay eggs. जो नेस्ट बनाते हैं बर्ड्स वो अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए फ्रॉम द आल्सो फ्रॉम द एनिमीज एंड देमसेल्फ एंड देयर यंग वंस के लिए एंड ले एग्स इनसाइड द नेस्ट. नाउ द कप नेस्ट. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नेस्ट इज देयर. Cup nest. A bulbul builds its nest in the hedges and bushes. The nest is like a deep cup. Look here. This is a deep cup nest. This shape prevents the eggs and the baby birds from falling out. And sparrows and hummingbirds also make this kind of nest. Now, weaver bird nest. Weaver bird's nest is like this type. Weaver bird's nest ऐसा होता है. Weaver birds use its strong beak to weave the knot strips, just like this type of knots they make while making its nest. The entrance to the nest is through a tunnel like opening at the bottom. The nest looks like a funnel or a pouch and is safe for the young ones. इनके बच्चों के लिए जो kids of the birds young ones के लिए सेफ होता है this type of nest, weaver bird's nest. Now the cavity nest. The woodpeckers and bluebirds build this kind of nest on the woodpecker pegs into the tree trunk and with its sharp beak and makes a hole. The hole is then lined with soft chips of woods and cozy nest is ready. Okay, now the other thing is there. Tailor birds. क्या होता है? The tailor birds stitches two broad leaves. The tailor bird stitches two broad leaves. Tailor birds make their nest with the help of two leaves. Look here, two leaves. In between the two leaves, together make their nest. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to sew the leaves with cotton, hair or wool. Look here, this is the cotton, hair and wool. Between their two leaves, this is the nest. Now platform nest. A platform nest is mostly flat. Okay. Now the crows, eagles and kites builds this type of nest. This is usually supported by twigs and branches and found on the large tree tops. जो प्लेटफॉर्म नेस्ट होता है, दिस इज़ द प्लेटफॉर्म नेस्ट आल्सो सिंपल, जस्ट लाइक अ सिंपल प्लेटफॉर्म नेस्ट. दिस टाइप ऑफ नेस्ट मोस्टली फ्लैट crows and eagles and kites build this type of nest, and this is usually supported by the twigs and branches and found on the large tree tops. सबसे ऊपर large tree tops में ऐसे घोंसले होते हैं. Now the sparrow and pigeons build their nest on windows and edges, ventilators and even on ceiling fans with leaves, dry grass and twigs. Okay. Now the sparrow pigeons make this type of nest. Now the kingfisher, shelduck and the martin dig long tunnels and then deposit their eggs in them. That means kingfisher, shelduck and sand martin dig long tunnels as their home. Spotted owls make their nest in the hollow of the trees or walls. Now the vultures make their nest high up in the trees. Their nest looks like a shallow cups. They use sticks to make their nests. After that, most birds look after their young ones. They feed them, keep them warm, and depend from enemies till they learn to fly and can look after themselves. Yes. What the different birds do? Different birds make the different types of nest and caring their young ones जब तक वो उड़ना ना सीख जाएं. Okay, and find out the food also for their own self. Okay. Okay students, this is the chapter and that is fully completed. Now talons, perch, flaglings and the wave. There are also keywords, important terms you will write in your copy. Okay students, thank you.